على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم। खुदा करे मेरी अर्ज़े पाक पर उतरे, खुदा करे मेरी अर्ज़े पाक पर उतरे वो फसले गुल जिसे अंदेशे ज़वाल न हो। Respected principal, teachers, honorable guests, and my dear class fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, I feel honored to speak about a topic that is close to the heart of every believer in this land, the freedom of Pakistan from an Islamic perspective. On the 14th of August 1947, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu blessed us with a separate homeland, Pakistan, after years of struggle, sacrifice, and prayers. This freedom was not just political, it was deeply religious. The vision behind Pakistan was not merely to create a new country, it was to establish a land where Islamic values, justice, and the rights of Muslims could be protected and practiced freely. Our beloved leader, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah Rahmatullah alayhi, declared that Pakistan was created the day the first Indian Muslim declared that he was different from the Hindus. This shows that our identity as Muslim was the foundation of our independence movement. The religious scholar, the student of madrasas, and the common Muslim all stood together with one aim to gain freedom for the sake of Islam. Countless people gave their lives with the cry of Pakistan ka matlab kya? La ilaha illallah on their lips. This was not just a slogan, it was a mission. सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है। देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है। वक्त आने दे दिखा देंगे तुझे ए आसमां, वक्त आने दे दिखा देंगे तुझे ए आसमां। हम अभी से क्यों बताएं क्या हमारे दिल में है। My dear class fellows, we must remember freedom is a gift from Allah, but it comes with responsibilities. We are free today to call the adhan, to offer salah, to fast, to build mosques, and to live according to the teaching of the Quran and Sunnah. But are we truly fulfilling this duty? The real success is not just to live in a free country, but to live as obedient servants of Allah in that free land. If we forget the purpose of our freedom, then we are betraying the blood of the martyrs. As Muslims, we must work to establish justice in our society, promote honesty, kindness, and equality, stand against corruption, lies, and oppressions, and most importantly, practice and separate the message of Islam. Let us raise our voices not just with slogan but with action. Let us make Pakistan a true Islamic welfare state where the teaching of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam are followed and the rights of Muslim of every individual are protected. Let us never forget the dua of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. O Allah, I ask you for beneficial knowledge, pure sustenance, and accepted deeds. May Allah protect our country, guide our leaders, and make us true followers of Islam. Ameen. Islam Zindabad. Pakistan Pindabad. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
ये थे तालिब इल्म हाफिज़ मोहम्मद बिन फुरकान जो आप हजरात के सामने इंग्लिश में आप हजरात का सामने अपने ख़यालात का इजहार फरमा रहे थे। अब इसके बाद आल पंजाब तकरीरी मुसाबक़े के अंदर दूसरी पोजीशन हासिल करने वाले तालिब इल्म हाफिज़ मोहम्मद यूसुफ की खिदमत में अर्ज़ व इल्तिमास करूँगा कि वह आएँ और आप हजरात के सामने अपने ख़यालात का इजहार फरमाएँ। तालिब इल्म हाफिज़ मोहम्मद यूसुफ।
रस्ते से हम हटने नहीं देंगे, हम अपने देश